Hello everybody, welcome back to another recipe video. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my weekly fridge staples. Homemade hummus is so easy to throw together, and just knowing that you made it yourself makes it even tastier, so I highly encourage you to make it yourself at home. Oh, and I'm super excited as we just moved into our new home. But anyways, let's get started on this wicked hummus recipe. To make this hummus recipe, here are all the ingredients that we will be using. 1 can of chickpeas, and of course you can cook your own chickpeas, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, a few dashes of paprika, and a pinch of black pepper and sea salt, and 5 tablespoons of water. If you missed the measurements for any of these ingredients, the full recipe is up on my blog. Now that we have our ingredients, let's make the hummus. Start off by draining the chickpeas and then rinse them under some cold water. Make sure you also pick out any chickpeas that don't look very good. Now that the chickpeas are ready, let's place them into our food processor. Add your minced garlic, and the lemon juice. Next, add in the tahini, and drizzle in the olive oil. Now, if you prefer your hummus to be rich and creamy, then maybe skip this step and replace it with olive oil. But for me, I like to have my hummus slightly on the lighter side, so therefore I put in a few tablespoons of water. And now we're ready to put on the cap and start pulsing. So now we are just gonna wait and let the hummus blend. This step is crucial and it takes the longest, so we have to wait a little bit. So I'm gonna do a little dance for everybody whilst we wait. How embarrassing. Okay, so back to the hummus. You want to occasionally scrape down the sides of the food processor, this way that everything blends evenly and smoothly, and we close the lid again and process. You can also add a little extra water or olive oil if you find that the mixture isn't coming together or isn't reaching the consistency that you want. Okay, so once our hummus has come to a somewhat smooth consistency, we're going to be adding in our cumin, a little pinch of black pepper, a few dashes of paprika, and last but definitely not least, a few pinches of sea salt. And now we put the lid back on and continue processing. And remember to stop in between and scrape down the sides as we process. And now our hummus is ready. I am very happy with the consistency now. It is looking super smooth and I think it's ready to serve. I personally love to top my hummus with just a generous drizzle of olive oil. And of course, a little sprinkling of pine nuts. And a few little dashes of paprika just on top. And that is how easy it is to make your own hummus at home. If you want it even smoother, just shell the chickpeas. This does take a lot of time, but it'll make super smooth hummus. This recipe makes quite a few servings, so I put the rest into a container, which I can leave in the fridge for whenever I want hummus. And that's usually always. My favorite way to eat hummus is definitely dipping it with raw vegetables. I absolutely adore hummus, and it is definitely a staple in my diet. It is filled with healthy fats and protein, and I just can't say enough good things about it. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I highly recommend you go and make this at home. It is super simple, and if you want to meal prep for the upcoming week, this is a perfect recipe. And now it's time for a taste test. Just gonna do a little happy dance for y'all. And I'm very determined to get every last ounce of that hummus. Okay, I'm gonna go now and enjoy the rest of my veggies with the hummus. If you guys make this at home, please let me know how it goes in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be more recipe and vlog videos coming up super soon.